Here are 6 ways to say that it's raining really hard in Brazil. Just like here in the US, we say it's raining cats and dogs. In Brazil, you can say tá chovendo canivetes. Literally, it means pocket knives. It's a colloquial expression. It's an old expression. I don't really use it, but I guess it's good for you to know. Tá chovendo canivetes. You can also say tá caindo toró. Emphasis at the end of the word toró. Tá caindo toró. Or you can say tá caindo o maior toró. Another word you can use, tá caindo pé d'água. Tá caindo pé d'água. Or tá caindo dilúvio. Tá caindo dilúvio. And in the media, you're gonna read and you're gonna hear the words chuvas torrenciais. Torrential rain. Really hard rain. Chuvas torrenciais.